Continuing my walk here in Milan, Italy. It's March 27th. No, excuse me, March 28th. It is Sunday. I think it's the 28th. I don't know. It's Sunday, the last Sunday in March 2021. Anyhow, I'm on my way to the Duomo. Just finished a video that I will post separately that pretty much talks about how deserted things are and how everything is so closed right now due to COVID. Leonardo? Da Vinci? Maybe. Yes, I think. Anyhow, this is really one of my favorite places here in Milan. At the other end of this bazaar, this mall, bizarre mall, I guess that's what I would call it, is the Duomo, the famous church, probably the most famous place here in Milan, one of the most famous places among many, of course. But the architecture is stunning. Anybody that visits Milan is going to visit this area, and first thing you notice, and it does not do it justice here in the video, is the skylighted roof. And it is absolutely just beautiful. It kind of reminds me of the building in Paris along the Seine. And of course, because I want to reference it, I can play the something or other. Anyhow, it reminds me so much of that. The work that went into that 100 years ago or ish, whenever this was built, it's just remarkable and fascinating, if you ask me. Hey, I have that book. Of course I would, right? Love Baroque. The other thing that you notice when you come into this breezeway, kind of the mirrored skylights from up there, and the kind of the brasswork that's kind of mirrored on the floor, surrounded by the tile and the Gaudi type style of the broken ceramic tile there. It's very popular in Barcelona. It does have a name, but it escapes me now. But it's typically used a lot in Barcelona, which of course was headquarters for Antonin Gaudi. But it's beautiful. The inlay here, the bronze, the glass, the tile, the marble, absolutely beautiful. You come to the center of the bazaar here, and if you think this is spectacular, you get to the center and you get this domed skylight that is just massive. Gosh, if I were comparing it to something in Tampa, I would say, I'm guessing a bit here, but the beer can building, the circumference, or the diameter of the beer can building is about, I'm eyeballing it, of course, the diameter of this giant skylight above the center part of this bazaar. And I'm sorry, I should have the name, but you've got this bazaar space that is entered from 4 directions, and this is the confluence of, this is the intersection of those 4 areas, the very center, and it's marked not only by the beautiful skylight above, giant skylight, but even more intricate tile inlay work. Marble. This is a different kind of marble from this. Oh, there it is again. But again, and you just see the facades of these storefronts all the way up 3 stories, with the ironwork up there and the plasterwork, and then the paintings. Let me zoom in up there. up on the upper level that transition into the skylight. And look at this. There's 4 directions. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4 hallways leading to the skylight above. It's just beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna continue. And of course, there's always has to be a McDonald's down there, otherwise it's really not Europe. This is these 2 places here are really great places to have lunch when you can do that. Looks like maybe they're doing takeaway. Oh, takeaway drinks. Mata. I was here in December, right before everything shut down. Had a really amazing lunch there. I sat inside this outdoor, glass canopy type area, which is very, very typical in Europe. And I sat. Oh, it's too reflective, but I sat right at that table. Had a great view for people watching of the square here where the Duomo is, which you are going to see in just a moment. Before you do, see a piece of it, I'm going to tease you a bit and just talk about the work. That is done. I mean, the detail is amazing. So this is the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. And if you're interested, you can zoom in on that. And that is all in Italian, of course. There's the money shot. The famous Duomo, famous church here in Milan. Looks like it's open, probably very limited, but it's something you have to do and see. Now, you used to be able to walk up along the roof line and look out in the city, and it just was really beautiful. I don't know if that is open now or what the plans are with COVID, but when I went in a few years ago, obviously this fencing wasn't there. There's another nice shot of the gallery, the bazaar. Probably one of the most popular places is where I'm standing. One of the most popular squares in Milan is right here. Just people associate the Duomo, again, among many, many things for this beautiful city. Over in the corner, all the corners, you got a metro station there, metro station there, metro station there, metro station right there. And of course, sponsored by Martini and Rossi. Drive vermouth for your martini. All right, I'm gonna end with this nice pan shot of this beautiful square. I hope you get to come to visit, and I hope COVID is less of an issue soon, and we can open Europe back up and the rest of the world, because there's so many beautiful places to see. Thanks for watching.